What's the meaning of care home? Care home. Care home.
Care home. Care home. A care home is a residential facility where people who require assistance with daily living activities receive long-term care. These facilities are typically designed for elderly individuals or those with disabilities who need help with tasks such as bathing, dressing, and taking medication. Care homes may offer shared or private accommodations and often provide various levels of care, ranging from basic support to specialized medical treatment. The goal of care homes is to provide a safe and supportive environment where residents can maintain their independence and receive the assistance they need to live comfortably.